Oh! Ah!
Right? She even makes me look skinny. There we go. But that's the way you do it. Let me take this arm. Let me come back here. But if you have something good where you live, do it again.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Do it again. Do it again. You know? Do it again. Come here. Same thing. There we go. Good. Come back over here. Nice. Turn this way completely. Stay there. Stay there. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Turn a little more. Thank you. Good. Good. Look straight ahead, please. Straight and just relax. You falling asleep?
Yeah.
Good. 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 Turn your head this way. Okay. Good. Nice. So let's just take your arms for a second. I'm just going to come back for a second. Just want to stretch. Just want to stretch. Bring your shoulders together. Good. Come back here. Let me just take your arm for a second. We're going to see if we can move the shoulder a little bit. Just a little bit. Just kind of relax. Just like that. Good. Good. Let's try the other side. Nice and easy. Just relax. Nice and easy. Just going to come in. Relax. Good. Just relax in. Excellent. Go. You come here. Relax your hand. Make sure arms in. Good. There we go. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Can I work on your feet today also?
Yeah.
Yes, that was a yes. Yeah. And relax. Good.
Está incómodo mi lambecito.
Él está quejándose. Pero yo no sé.
Bring this leg over here to me and face this way. Move up. Okay, so this arm is going to go across here. This one's going to come underneath. Good. We're going to turn to the left a little bit and to the left. Good. I just want you to breathe in very deep. Breathe out. Good. Okay, let's go the other way now. Take this arm, put this one on top. Just want to twist the body a little bit. Turn your head right, breathe in, and all the way out. Just let it go.
Oh!
Perfect. Relax your hands. Perfect. Good. Just want you to slide back a little bit until you touch here. Just don't leave it, just slide back. Look at the room. Right there, that's perfect, that's perfect. Okay. Just gonna, you said the upper back, right?
Yeah.
Right, Ted?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna cross your arm here. This one comes underneath. Okay, keep your head down. I'm gonna lean you back, just keep your head down, please, okay? Right here, breathe in really deep. All the way out, lean back. Relax your shoulders.
Ah!
Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, that was loud. All right, come and lay down. We'll go face down. So now I got your mom give me a chichon on my head, and I got you yelling in my ear. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Do you want to use a breast protector?
Yeah.
Let me give you a breast protector. That feels okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can you relax your head? That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You comfortable? Nice. Okay.
Oh, eso era entonces.
Good. I'm going to loosen up your lower back a little bit, okay? If it's too strong, tell me. Too strong?
No,
Good. So I think with all these platforms, these short-term rentals are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger. You know, I think the idea of people buying homes, the American dream is gone. It's all rental. That's what I think. Too strong? Good. Hey guys, this is Dr. Tirado. You know, being a doctor takes plenty of energy, and I've got to be alert with all my patients. So I want to tell you my secret to amazing health and energy. It's the combination of Organifi greens and reds. It's what I call my daily energizing stack. The greens I take in the morning have 11 powerful ingredients, including ashwagandha, spirulina, moringa, chlorella, and they detoxify my entire body. And in the afternoon, when I'm feeling a little low on energy, I take Organifi reds. It's 5 antioxidant-rich berries, 4 energizing adaptogens, including cordyceps and rhodiola, give me plenty of natural sustained energy. Let me take you through my morning steps and even my afternoon steps. When I get up in the morning, the first thing I do to reset my body is I take my Organifi green juice. What I'll do is I'll just open it up. I'll take 2 teaspoons or maybe even a tablespoon, depending upon my mood, and I'll just mix a little bit right inside water. And I'll just mix it up like this. And you see it blends in absolutely fantastic. Nice and easy. If you want to put it in a protein smoothie, you can put it inside a protein smoothie, or you can do just this and you can mix it up with water. I like to have it with just regular room temperature water. It mixes fantastic. Just take a little taste. It's sweet and it's really, really good. And so in the afternoon, when I feel like my energy is getting a little bit low, I take my reds. And the Organifi red juice, really fantastic. It's got Siberian ginseng, it's got reishi mushroom, it's got red beets, it's got all the stuff to really just give myself that natural sustained energy, just when you need it in the afternoon. So I'll just open it up, take about 2 to 3 teaspoons, mix it inside a protein drink, or I'll just mix it in with some water, or sometimes I'll just mix it in with some juice. Just mix it up, it blends in really, really fantastic. You see that? Nice cherry red color. And let's just take a sip. It's sweet and it's savory at the same time, and it tastes incredible. And I just get such a natural energy boost from taking this. It's much better than taking a cup of coffee. If I take a cup of coffee, it just gets me it gives me energy, but I get really, really jittery. With the Organifi reds, there's no jitteriness, there's no nervousness. I just feel just plenty of energy, and it just sustains me all the way to dinner time. It's really great because I don't have to go snack on something. I can just take my Organifi reds and it'll just hold me off until dinner time. That's one of the ways I actually can keep weight off. And at my age, keeping weight off is really important, and it's also really hard. And Organifi reds and the greens, my daily stack, really helps me out, and it's amazing. I highly recommend this. If you guys want to get this, just click on the link below in my bio and use my code Chiro. So then we had another friend that had a huge business, huge surgeries and everything. A lot of 10, 12 podiatrists under his, in his office. Multi-million-dollar business, Yeah, and just relax a little bit inside here. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Good. You raise this leg a little bit, just bring it up and back down. Perfect, that's perfect, nice. Good, just relax here. Perfect. Okay, same thing here. Hold up. Would you raise your leg, please? And back down. Good, good, good. Just relax. Good. Okay, a little tap here. Good. Okay, this is going to drop down easy, like that. You okay? Good. One more time. Good. Good. You smell? I'm going to go right inside here. Just going to easy, see if there's anything left in here. So I just want you to breathe in very deep for me if you can. And breathe out. Good. Good. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Wow. Let's come and lay down on your back. Can you do that? Face up. Just bend your knees for a second. Put your hands right here. Bend your knees like this. Good. And I just want you to squeeze together. Squeeze. Squeeze. Okay. And separate. Separate. Good. Bring this down and relax here. I'm going to make a circle. Big circle. Good. Yeah, I think the shoulder harness would be better for you.
Okay.
I'll let this drop. I'll let this drop or no? Good. You falling asleep? Okay. Good. Just relax here. Bring this down.
Here's some coffee.
With a coffee? You want an espresso?
Oh, I love espresso.
You like double or single?
Double.
Double? You and I are gonna have an espresso after this. Cause I love my, it's past my espresso time.
Oh, it's 3:21.
I have my espressos 3 or 4 o'clock. Relax. Good, good, good.
Oh my god.
Good. Hold on. Just adjusting the joint. Good. Just relax a little. Good. Good. And just relax here. You know what podiatrist gets paid for manipulating an ankle? What I just did?
For real? I didn't
It's
know.
like $150. No podiatrist does it. $150. Isn't that crazy?
It's from the insurance?
Just for that, yeah. And they don't bill it out. Slide up a little bit.
You know what's the code?
Look it up. Look it up. Manipulation, mortise joint. Talofibral, talofemoral,
Parafibular ligament.
talus joint. Hey, Diz. I think we need an espresso. Double. What am I gonna do? Ooh, right there, my goodness. That's where to go first. Let me just relax a little bit. Nice and easy. Relaxing easy. Good. Yeah, just let it go.
Oh! Whew, okay.
Woo! How we doing?
Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect. Good. Good. Right there. I'm just gonna stretch a little bit. Relax.
Ooh. Okay. Volví a la vida. Oh.
¿Qué? Volver a la vida.
Volví a la vida.
Volví a la vida. Breathe in for me. Out. Good. I'm going to adjust your jaw a little bit.
Yeah.
It's going to feel like nothing. Like that. Not even like a little pinch. Relax your jaw. I'm just going to stretch a little bit. Right there. Good. That's it. The inside. Nice and easy. Just relax the jaw. Good. Relax. Open your mouth slow. Close. Open again. And close. Good. Perfect. Okay.
I feel like I dislocated my jaw from all the pushing that big
Well,
headed
pushing?
boy.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. One of the things I want to tell you is, although I'm working with Organifi, I want to tell you that I'm legitimately a customer of Organifi. I've been using their products for 10 years. Their protein drinks, their green drinks, their red drinks, every single product that they make is absolutely incredible. The quality that they put into their product and just the thought that they put into their product is just incredible. I haven't found a company that even comes close. Their protein shakes, all the things that they make. So if you're looking for a really great green drink that'll help detox your body in the morning and help level out your cortisol levels, the green drink is going to be fantastic. It's really going to work for you. And if you're looking for that extra boost of energy in the afternoon, the Organifi Reds are going to be your choice. I highly recommend them instead of taking a cup of coffee or having to take a caffeine supplement. Okay, so if you're interested in purchasing this, you can just click on the link in my bio. Be sure to use my code Chiro. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.